and looking for some water to drink.
Okay.
Yeah. So the crow, see the crow's tongue? Where's the crow's tongue? Shadi, where's the crow's tongue?
Yeah.
Could not find any water.
What?
And the crow is going
I
very...
wanted that.
Yeah.
I wanted that.
You saw water?
I
Yeah.
wanted that.
The crow saw water in a jug.
I wanted that.
Water inside the jug.
I wanted that.
Oh, so the crow is very clever. Is Ollie clever?
Why?
Yeah, the crow fly is very clever.
Why?
Yeah, the crow is clever.
Why?
You want to watch fly?
Why?
Yeah. So next page. So the water cannot reach, so the crow cannot reach. Oh, what is this? Little pebbles. What is it? Stones? Take little stones.
I pick another one stone.
Stone put where? Put into the jar.
I
Put into the jar.
put water.
Put the stones into the jar so that the water will rise again. Okay, next page. Next page. So, at last, all the stones were thrown into the jar.
Go, spring the water.
Oh, Cook can drink the water when the water reaches the top. You see? Once the water reaches the top, the crow can drink the water. The end. This is the story of the thirsty crow. How is it thirsty crow?
Okay.